Frustrated with the Bisrv Library DLL pop-up blocking background infrastructure service? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. As we prepare the manual solution for Bisrv Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Bisrv Library, the Audio Interface Service Library. It manages the localized communication between unmanaged creative software and localized audio hardware drivers. It facilitates the localized allocation of audio buffers and manages the real-time localized sample rate conversion for high-fidelity media playback. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. When Bisrv Library DLL is reported as missing, it often points to a corrupted graphics stack. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to fix legacy DirectX components, and ensure your GPU drivers are updated if the file is associated with CUDA, OpenCL, or OpenGL. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Bisrv library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. It is important to avoid manual installation of Bisrv Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Bisrv Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Bisrv Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.